Around mid-Jan this year, the Union Labour Ministry asked quick commerce platforms to drop the 10-minute delivery tagline from their branding. And we all noticed something strange. Platforms complied almost instantly. New brand lines quietly took their place. Think about it. A tagline that practically defined an entire category is suddenly off the table. And yet, the companies are completely comfortable dropping it, with virtually zero impact on the business. Let me break down why that happened in this episode of Marketing Decoded with Mithil. Broadly, there are three main reasons why this happened. The first reason is simple. The habit has already been installed. Years of quick commerce brands hammering us with a message of speed has baked in that behavior. Number two, the dark stores, which are now literally all around us, have quietly become the new billboards. The visibility of infra and operations has turned into one of the biggest marketing assets for these platforms. So we don't need to be told that the delivery will be instant. We can see it. Last and probably the most important reason is that the tagline was also a venture narrative. It helped these companies raise capital, which in fact funded these dense dark store networks. So in this case, infra has already caught up with the promise. Now, speed really does come from proximity of these dark stores. To bring everything together, let's zoom out for a second and picture a simple 2x2 grid where x-axis represents consumer habit strength and the y-axis represents explicit messaging intensity. Typically, any new segment that needs to install a new habit moves from quadrant 3 to finally landing at quadrant 4, which is the autopilot phase. This is where the habit is fully formed and messaging can drop dramatically, sometimes close to zero. To be honest, for any category, this zone is a pure win. You've seen it with Google search, WhatsApp, and this is exactly where quick commerce sits today. In a nutshell, the government's move does look like action, but as I said earlier, it's largely cosmetic. Delivery agents didn't strike just because a tagline offended them. Their concerns run far deeper. Falling real wages, algorithmic penalties, ID blocking, long working hours, and incentive structures that push speed without adequate protection. Workers themselves have said that the branding rollback hasn't meaningfully changed the grind. So the real takeaway is this. The 10-minute delivery tagline had already done its job with consumers. But if the goal of this move was worker welfare, the fix isn't deleting copy. It's redesigning pay, penalties, and protections. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.